It's a 2019 Lexus NX. This is the crossover for any urban adventure, thanks to a turbocharged engine, aggressive exterior design, and an interior built around you. It comes with all the amenities you need. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, external memory control, doors and push-button start proximity key, leather steering wheel, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com highlights its class best fuel economy, generous backseat room for the segment, impeccable cabin construction, and copious high-tech features. Lexus, inspired design, relentless innovation, incredible performance. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today. Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.